Then we talk about large standard library. So almost for each of the language, we have different libraries or different modules or the packages which are supported along with it. Let's say that for date time, you have a different module or a different library. For the to make the connection to any particular database, you have a different library. Make the connection to the to read the CSV files or to read the text files, you have a different library. Similarly, in Python also we have different libraries, and there are lots of libraries, more than hundreds of libraries, which makes your task very easy. Large community support, there are a lot of good communities and good things apart from Stack Overflow. There are a lot of other places where you can go and you can check, post your queries, and you will get the output in few hours. Extensible, it can be easily integrated with any other programming language. You can integrate it with Java, you can integrate it with JavaScript, you can integrate with the shell script, you can integrate it with .NET, C++, any of the programming languages which you have worked on. You can integrate Python easily with any of the language. Now it is a cross-platform language, so you can take your code into any of the platform, whether it's Windows, whether it's Mac, whether it's Ubuntu, whatever it is. You can take your code into any of the language, and you can basically run your code into that environment.